Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you something very close to my heart, the International Women's Day celebration. And it was hosted by my own organization, Lions Club of Menengai here in Nakuru, Kenya. It was an incredible event and I am honored to be part of it. So let's dive into why Women's Day is so important and the impact we are making as a Lion is uplifting women. So guys, International Women's Day celebrated on March 8th is Global Day recognize the achievement of women and calling the gender equality across the world. But today I want to share with you why this day matters, not just as a global celebration, but also as an opportunity for us, the Lions Club of Menengai, to continue our mission of service and empowerment. As per you guys know that we are taking care of 35 girls, orphan only girls home at Joro, and if anyone is willing to donate there anything, they are always welcome. So आप लोग चाहें तो donate कर सकते हैं and you can contact our members or me. And guys, this event, this whole program is also for the fundraising for our children home only. So everything raised by this event will be directly for the girls home only. So guys, I think you are going to enjoy our fun games, food and music and everything, whatever we are going to celebrate here. So keep watching guys. Let us start our vlog. And don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching Kanchan Sharma Vlogs. I think this is the first time we've done something for Women's Day. So first and foremost, I would like you lovely ladies to give yourself a big round of applause because you're looking absolutely gorgeous. So 8th of March, as we all know over the years, has picked up a kind of status now to be celebrated as Women's Day. Of course, women are spoiled and we deserve, we always think we deserve a special day. I don't think there's anything called a Men's Day. Yeah, but like I read somewhere that, women deserve to be celebrated every day. And what I like about our organization and the fact that you've joined us all is that we have come to celebrate each other, and which is simply amazing. As you know, our Lions Club of Menengai is a completely women's club. It's a strict no-no for the men here. I don't know if many of them want to join. I'm sure they do. But yeah, they do. But we don't allow it. We don't allow it. This year, our chair lady, or our president rather, is Lion Rani. All of you know her very well. I would request, she's the driving force behind today's function and our club as a whole. I would request Lion Sushi Shah, our past district governor, to please come up and say a few words about Rani, because we feel today we really want to appreciate our president because she has won 1,000,001 awards. She's just been, and I request just a short, not a long Lion speech, but just a short, quick appreciation for our president, Lion Rani.
Thank you, Shiana. Our President Rani members, our distinguished and esteemed guests today, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Happy Women's Day to all of you. Thank you. And today, as we are celebrating Women's Day, it's very informal, fun and joy for everyone. Feel at home, absolutely feel at home. We are all members are here, we are few members. And as Shiana says, Lions Club of Menengai, we are running for the past, we were lionesses and lions for the past 45 years. But since then, we are only women members. As many men wants to join, but we are all enjoying ourselves as a women. And we have learned a lot as a women. As we say, empowering. We have worked very hard with our big project, signature project is a Joro Girls Home, our cookery book, So we are enjoying, welcome Vijay. Thank you so much. So we are enjoying as Women Lions Club. Now today amongst us is one of the personality whom we would like to honor. Now she is eating, breathing, talking, working, only charity and nothing else. She is none other than our, we call Lion Rani or Rotarian, what is it, Rotarian Lion. She has joined both the service clubs, international service clubs, and she is so much involved in charity. Every day she goes to the rural or anywhere, any part of the Kenya, any homes, wherever. She must have donated 1,000 wheelchairs, more, at least, to the handicapped, needy, unfortunate people. Rani, we feel so proud of you. She has won. It's since last 10 years. She has been carrying out this charity work. She has already got 178 national and international awards, awards from Lions, awards from Rotary, best president in the district. So to name it, we can't name it, we can't elaborate it. So many awards. And of course, recently very, very esteemed award she received was from the head of state commendation award. Rani, she received for her outstanding activities and constant activities. Always she's going out and carrying out lots and lots of activities, charitable activities, always. Rani, please keep up that compassionate vision, dedication to be a charitable person. And of course, some of us, we call, she's just like Nakuru Mother Teresa. You deserve that. And I welcome you all. Enjoy. Today it's fun, and as you know, we have so outstanding women in the world. Here there are some professionals, hard-working women, all of them. So we want to recognize all of you empowering each and every one of you. So we are so thankful, all of you, to be here, to come and to have you have supported us today
on the stage to give you a speech. I just want to welcome you all. I tell my PDG, our senior Lan Sushi, thanks a lot for those kind words. Of course, yes, I'm in this field since 10 years and my goal is to serve. Today you are here because of that service. Whatever you are donating there today, it will go along for those services. Okay? So thank you very much for coming. Sorry? Yeah, and I think all of you know me. क्या बोलते हैं वो हिंदी में?
नॉन पर्सनैलिटी
इंग्लिश
भी हो गया.
गानों के लिए मैं सेलेब हूँ, आपके लिए मैं क्या बोलते हैं? इंडियन में क्या वर्ड बोलते हैं ये लोग? घर में हमारे घर की है.
लक्ष्मी.
Yeah, so this all I'm doing. I'm not doing for any awards or anything, but the people who appreciate me, I really thank them. And today we are here to appreciate ourselves, okay? As a woman, we have to be proud. Today is always motivation I have in my side, okay? So each and every woman is superwoman, okay? We don't have to wait for someone to tell. See yourself in the mirror every morning and say, yes, I'm the one. Okay? And that's the spirit I take with me. Fine? So thank you very much. Hope we will enjoy. We have some speeches. We have some successful stories today. Some fun games. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you very much for coming once again.
Do you guys remember your numbers? Yeah, we are always accused of having a very good memory. Yeah, my husband believes that I can remember fights from 2002. So I'm sure you won't forget your numbers. Okay, we were 14. 16. Your own number. Say it among yourself. So when I call a number, the one from each team has to, you forget about the previous numbers now. We've separated you. So the one from each team will come. If I call out 3, the 3 from each team.
3 from this team.
And 3 from the even team will come. Yeah?
This game is called guess the prop from the song. And then once you get, okay, so it will start this way. First, I will call number 1. So number 1 from each team will come here. And the song will play. Now you have to guess the prop. Pick up the prop from the table. So if you pick it up first or your team picks it up first, the song will play and your team has to all dance on it. And the more you dance, the best dance gets more marks.
Judge.
5 marks.
Number 3. Number 3.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah. Great. Search.
Now your whole team has to dance with you for extra 5 points.
Extra 5 points. Come on, you know this song. Come on. Say the song.
Start looking now. चूड़िया चूड़िया
other, give us your names before we start the game.
Introduce yourself.
Yeah.
Kavraj.
And
क्या थी तुम्हें जीतने दिया? तुम्हें जीतने दिया? मोना यू 17 ना? तो नाचने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ।
Okay.
यार लायन के इज्जत का सवाल है।
It could be a prop used in the song. It could be a prop named in the song. So you have to think very carefully. Yeah.
No cheating, no cheating.
क्या सॉन्ग है यार?
कभी सुना ही नहीं है ना?
हाथों में आ गया जो कल रुमाल आपका, हर हाथों में आ गया जो कल रुमाल आपका, बेचैन कर गया हमें ख्याल आपका, आपका, आपका। तेरे हाथों में आ गया जो कल रुमाल आपका, रुमाल आपका।
Unlock your stay for less and exclusive prices. Download the free Booking.com app today.
That's an ad.
You've come so far. Why now are you pulling on my dick? I'd normally suck on this one, and everyone here could watch. I'm feeling nice. Here's some advice. Listen up, biatch. I like looking hot, buying stuff they cannot. I like drinking hard, maxing dad's credit card. I like skipping gym, scaring her, screwing him. I like killer clothes, kick your nerds in the nose. If you lack the balls, you can go play dolls. Let your mommy mix you a snack. Whoa. Or you could come smoke, pound some dope and smoke.
Is it English and English?
पता ही है तुम्हें, पता ही है। मेरी गाड़ी पे बैठ जा, हम कुछ नहीं बोल रहे। If you pick the wrong prop, then the other people.
गरम चाय की प्याली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने वाली हो, मिल जाए तो मिल जाए हर अंग। I got nothing to prove.
Thank you.
Vijayanti knows lots of songs. No,
काजळ लावणे आले मी आज, असं नका बघू अहो येते मला लाज. केला शृंगार आज गातला असा, दिसते मी भारी जणू सगळा मी खास. नखरे वाली कुठे निघाली घालून साली लाल गुलाबी, पागल करते तुझे मोरनीशी चाल. गुलाबी साडी दिसते मी भारी, माझा फोटो माझा काढ. गुलाबी साडी आणि लाली लाल लाल, दिसते मी भारी, माझा फोटो माझा काढ.
दोनों का साथ साथ में आया। हम साथ साथ हैं सब जगह।
जब जोर जोर से अंगड़ाई लेती हूँ मैं, जब जोर जोर से वो आती आवाज़ है आती है जोर से। मैं तो चाहती कि मच जाए होश वाले भी मदहोश मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका दे सैया
She didn't even know this was here. When the people started cheering, okay, the rule is you guys can't pick up the prop unless you're sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
गोली मारे
शीशे से शीशा टकराए, शीशे से शीशा टकराए तो भी हो अनजान। शीशे से शीशा टकराए तो भी हो
She came here, she gave respect to my invitation. So please come and 2 to 3 minutes I'm giving you to talk with us. Dr. Karania.
I think everybody knows me. I'm Dr. Karania. I'm general practitioner. I've been working as a general practitioner since almost 50 years in Nakuru. And this all new generation, I have seen they came and settled and then enjoying. Nakuru is a very vibrant community. You know, we meet in various places and everybody has a special talent. I learned also from Susiben, from Kumud, they are our senior, even Vijay. We have worked so hard in our community and other community also. We have other leaders in our gatherings. They are doing very good job. I think Rani will maybe introduce. I'm not supposed to introduce. They are leading some organization like Hindu Council or Vishavarsa community, Lohana. There are different community and Lions and Rotary. So I salute each and every woman in this gathering. Salute with my heart. Just keep it up. Keep your self-confidence. If every person is a unique person, everybody has a special ability and God has blessed that. So we have to recognize, like Rani has recognized her ability, and she is doing so nice and making us proud. So thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you. It's done very well, eh? Yes. Not a very big The even gets 40 points, odds get 30 points. Well done. Even Kavraj, just say 2-3 words.
Yeah, please.
Just few words. It's okay. Any other words? Yeah.
Sign language.
That's it. Yeah, please. Just.
Hi everyone. For those who don't know me, I'm Kavraj. I'm an advocate practicing in Nakuru. I've been practicing since 2017 and I've had my own law firm since 2018. It's quite a challenge to be a woman, and that's why I salute each and every one of us that we have made it here today. We have beaten all the odds, we have beaten all the things that are being said against a woman, all the the things that we hear that a woman cannot do this, a woman cannot do that. But we stand here to show them and prove them wrong. And they say that when a woman succeeds, an entire generation succeeds.
Yes.
So put that in your mind whenever you take a step, whenever you're feeling down, know that there are people looking up to you and they are going to be motivated by you. That's it. Thank you.
I have a few of my friends from Rotary and East Africa Women League also. So first I'll go Christine to take your 1 minute, please. Introduce yourself, then Rahab, then yeah.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Yeah. Come here.
That's who I'm representing today. Of course, Rani was our president. She was our president. She did amazing. I'm so inspired by her and all the work she does, and generally just by people in Nakuru. It's a wonderful community, and I'm so happy to be here and celebrate with all of you and get to know you guys a little bit better. Thank you.
Thank you. We have a ladies organization, many different activities. Well done, Sangeeta.
I like your shoes. It's a yellow mellow day. Happy Women's Day, everyone. Happy Women's Day. My name is Ray. It's Reha, but most of my friends, and you are my friends today, call me Ray. So I am from Nakuru, but I live in the US. And I've been coming back and forth. And when I did at one point, Christine insisted that I had to go and visit the Rotarians on one Tuesday. And that Tuesday turned me into being pinned during the installation by Miss Rani. And we hit it off, we love each other. I haven't seen her in a while. So I am so grateful for all, each one. Okay, you know what I'm doing. Yeah. But I'm really grateful to be here, and I want to say that I'm so happy when I see diversity mixing up. People from Nakuru, I'm from Nakuru, Zamani. Some of you, if I mention my family, you might know them. But I have been in Nakuru for a long time. I think I remember your beautiful face. But thank you so much for the invitation, Rani and Christine. And hey, thank you.
I'm only ever in Kenya for 3 months of the year. So I escaped from the English winter to come and enjoy the heat, although it's a bit too hot. But because I'm involved with the Jensen family through my daughter marrying Ivan, and I expect a lot of you will know the Jensens, I've been introduced to the East African Women's League, and I'm really proud to be a member of them, because at home in England I've been very involved with Girl Guides, Girl Guiding, Scouting, and I am the chair of the Trefoil Guild, which is for guiders who have got too old to actually run units and run guides, and we do a lot of fundraising and have fun, just like EAWL. So it's very, very similar, in fact. And I'm just thrilled to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
A few moments later.
So ladies ready? Head, shoulder, stomach, knees, toes, knees, stomach, cup. So the one. Ready, ladies? Head, shoulder, knees, stomach, knees, head, shoulder, toes, knees, stomach, shoulder, eyes, head, shoulder, stomach, knees, toes, knees, toes, shoulder, stomach, shoulder, head, stomach, knee, toe, stomach, cup. Yeah. Now those who are winners, they will compete with themselves.
Yeah, they will all compete now.
तुम तो lose हो गए. मैं तो नहीं इसके पास है cup. So you
those who have cups, keep
pair up, pair.
Pairs in pairs.
Okay,
toes, knees, toes, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder,
hey, no,
shoulder.
People stand up. Why
Shoulder, shoulder.
Why are you all sitting?
Knees, toes, stomach, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, knees, head, cup.
Three pairs. Okay.
So guys, let's start now again. Head, shoulder, knees, shoulder, toes, knees, head, shoulder, stand up, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, head, shoulder, cup.
The final one. One cup.
Yeah.
Okay, no bending. You guys
Yeah, you have to
properly and bend and touch your knees.
do good exercise. So, ladies, let us start. Head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, knees, head, knees, head, shoulder, cup. Who is the winner? Wow, well done.
Okay, we have a gift for her.
And a glass with it.
इस साइड पे नाचो सब लोग इस साइड।
Yeah, one table, they can come and take it.
Happy Women's Day. Happy Women's Day. Who is going to say? Song.
And celebration. Happy Women's Day.
So guys, as a member of Lions Club of Menengai, I have seen firsthand how important it is for us to celebrate the charge in supporting women in every aspect of society, from promoting access to education, healthcare, to providing mentorship and support. We aim to create a world where women's voices are not only heard but also celebrated. So guys, we are committed to serving our community and advancing the cause of gender equality. So guys, I am really proud to be part of this organization like the Lions Club of Menengai, and thank you to everyone who come out to make this Women's Day celebration so impactful. We really enjoyed your presence and celebration was really awesome. It's all because of you all joined us. We have got a lot more to do, but together we can keep making a difference. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's continue to support women, not just for today, but every day. Share this video to help spread the message of empowerment and equality. Until next time, take care and keep supporting each other. Happy Women's Day to all lovely ladies. Keep enjoying your day and thanks for watching.
Today's your special day, it's time to celebrate. Another year of life, let's make it great. With friends and family all around, we'll dance and sing, make joyful sounds. May every moment bring you happiness and fun. May all your dreams come.
So guys, this event was organized at Kroga Garden, section 58 near Jamuri Primary School. So you can have Kroga and functions like this.
सावरा है बावरा धोती कुर्ता पहन के घूमे दिल्ली हो या